In this example, we have a script, basically a text function called wait for input with timeout, that is supposed to, well, wait for some input, but after a given timeout, it should just return. In this common case that we have some kind of a timeout and we would like to check whether the system actually runs according to that timeout. So what we normally would be able to do is to take a timestamp before, run the function, take a timestamp after, and compare the two numbers and check whether the difference is what we are expected. In this case, the function is supposed to wait for 3 seconds, and instead of implementing the whole function, I just put here a call to sleep given the number that was provided by the user, but I make a little bit of randomization in order to actually see a bug once in a while. So now if we run the test, only if we run the script, that's just called test PL, you can see the result, the time that was elapsed since the beginning when we run the function till it ended. And as you can see, it like 3 times it got 2 seconds, but finally we have one that is only 1 second. So it's changing, obviously. Now we can't really compare the number, the difference. We can't really expect to be exactly actually 3, because in any timing system that won't be ever exact for various reasons. So the computer does other things. So what we can do is, instead of comparing where this is, we can use the CMP to check whether the difference is in some kind of a range. So it can't really check range, but it can use any operator. So we can use 2 calls to compare OK. One of them is checking whether this is the difference, the elapsed time is bigger than 2, some minimal value, and the next call we check whether it's smaller than 3. So we basically can, with 2 calls, we can check whether it's within the range. And that's what CMP-OK is for. As you can see, it passes now. That if we need to compare the expected result with some actual result, with any various ways, and here you can see the failure case when the elapsed time wasn't in the correct range.